Sound check. Those washed up at 5 o'clock. I fear I'll never find him. Oh dear John, where are you? I know you're out there somewhere. I got a hurricane in my pocket. Yeah, but no one will believe me. Then they poured a bucket of tar on top of a flower. Still I knew they wouldn't believe me, and keep me, and stop me. Oh, let's go dancing. Oh, let's go dancing. Said the firefly to the hurricane. Said the falling rain to the open flame. How many times? Well, I stopped a freight train with a grain of sand. Split a mountain in two with a flake of snow. Yeah, still they won't believe me. With the tales were tall and the stories were old. Yeah, for some reason I believe them. I said, what do you know about revolution? Yeah, when all I was taught was patience and waiting and making some politically correct statement. So let's go dancing. Oh, let's go dancing. Said the firefly to the hurricane. Said the falling rain to the open plain. How many times? Oh, let's go dancing. Oh, let's go dancing. How many times? Every time. Half a mile down Rabbit Road, across the creek that was dear to his soul, up the hill to his home, yeah. Always someone there, but he lived alone. Check 1 2 1 2. Microphone.